you guys? Welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say, excuse the background. I am actually at my daughter's desk in her area. She does homeschool, so I'm in her area right now because this is the only little space I have right now to sit down and talk to you guys. Everybody's kind of busy right now, and I just wanted to get somewhere quietly at the moment and just record this right quick and let you guys know about what I have been doing. So as you guys see from the title, I have started a vegan challenge. This challenge is basically me and my husband Marcus. We have decided to do 30 days of vegan eating, plant-based eating. No dairy, no meat, no eggs, no kind of dairy or any kind of animal products we are consuming for 30 days. Now, to me, and the way that we've been talking and discussing things, we plan to maybe make this a lifestyle change. But we wanted to first, do the 30 days to see if this is something that we want to continue to do, how it affects our body, and, just seeing how it works. So as I had said previously in my last video, which I'll put in the cards, when I went to Eliza vegan food truck, I said then that I was going to be making more content on my lifestyle change, which it would be this. I will be showing more of why I started this channel. From the beginning, I started this channel to record and, just to keep up with my progress of getting healthier, and as well as inspiring and motivating someone as you to do the same. That is my whole purpose of this channel. I want to inspire and help someone to, not feel like they're alone, that they have someone that they can, look to, or that can talk to, or, on their journey as well, whether it's weight loss or whether it's a new journey in your life. I really want to be someone that can inspire someone to just move forward and not give up. So that's why I started this channel. And also, of course, like I said, my weight loss journey, which I've been on it for a while. I've tried so many different things, but the purpose of it is to not give up. And that's my mission, is not to give up on what I've, actually been called to do, is to help someone else to not give up and to keep pushing for what you want. But I've also already done this journey for 30 days before, which I'll put also in the cards. You can go and watch that, but I watch after this video. But I've also done it 30 days before. But with that 30 days, I feel that, to be honest, I wasn't quite into it like I am right now. I didn't do a lot of research like I have before this. So that video, shows, you can watch the whole 30 days. I have a playlist as well, but I do have a video that shows exactly the end result of the 30 days. And you can see, how I felt and everything in that. But like I said, this time around was completely different because I'm really cautious on what we're eating. I'm looking at everything, me and Marcus, and we want to change and get healthier. That's what the goal is for us. And like I said, to inspire others to do the same. But this is all about the first week of us starting this vegan challenge, you guys. Now, the videos or the clips that I'm going to show you guys is what me and Marcus have been eating for the first week of doing this challenge. We started October 4th, which was on a Monday. And this is for 7 days. I think I have all the clips of every day, but like I said, I'm just going to show you some of the different things that we ate during the week and what's helped us. And then I'm going to tell you guys how much I have lost and how much Marcus have lost on the first week of being vegan. So if you like this kind of content, if you want to see this journey with me, if you want to follow me, if you would like to, or know someone that would like to start on a vegan, challenge, or just something different, something new, be sure to like this video, share this video, comment down below. Let me know if you are a vegan or eat plant-based. But like I said, I'm going to show you guys now all the clips of what we've been eating, and at the end I will come back and let you guys know how much I've lost and how much my husband lost for the first week. So let's get to it. guys, those were some of just the highlights of what me and my husband ate throughout the first week of us doing this challenge. You guys, we are transitioning vegan, so we did not do a lot of greens and a lot of fruits, which we did incorporate it in there. What we did was get things that we already eat and just make it vegan, plant-based. That's what we did for the first week, which we will continue to do that as well, but start to incorporate more greens and fruits into our diet. So getting to what me and my husband have lost for the first week. For me, I have lost 2.8 pounds. I lost almost 3 pounds, you guys, and my husband lost 3 pounds. I think it was 3.2 pounds. So he lost 3 pounds as well. So that's pretty good for a week of just transitioning, just kind of changing what we eat, no exercise, drinking water. I'm looking forward to this challenge. I'm looking forward to the meals that we'll come up with. Even after the week, I did do something that I never done before. I made some fried tofu with some fried cauliflower rice. I put the tofu in the air fryer. But yeah, I will have so many more recipes on this channel, you guys, and I hope that if you are interested in things like this, you would subscribe, you would comment down below and let me know what is your favorite vegan dish or anything like that. I would really love to hear feedback. If you are vegan or thinking about going plant-based, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And like I said, I'm going to be doing more videos showing you guys what we eat and just taking you on this journey with me during these 30 days. And hopefully that this will become a lifestyle change. But anyway, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.